Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to set up and use this 4G dual camera dash cam with 24/7 parking surveillance. Start by connecting the device using the included Type-C cable and a 5V 1.5A adapter. If pairing through the app doesn't work, scan the QR code on the bottom of the device. If needed, reset it following the manual and try again. Mount the dash cam on your windshield using the included holder and adjust the angle to capture both the road and the interior. Then connect the OBD cable to your car's OBD port, usually under the dashboard. If the indicator light doesn't turn on, press the V button on the OBD adapter to switch. To 11.6V or 23.6V, start the engine and try again. Once everything is set, open the app to view the live feed. While driving, it records in loop mode. When parked, it switches to motion detection, recording automatically and sending alerts to your phone. If the video appears low resolution, use a card reader to access the original footage from the SD card. A 4G data plan is required for remote access, real-time notifications, and two-way talk. You can use local SD card storage or choose optional cloud backup for extra security. This dash cam offers full HD dual cameras, covering both inside and outside your car, perfect for full protection wherever you go. It adapts automatically between driving and parking modes. And with two-way talk, you can communicate through the app anytime. For privacy, press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn off the interior, camera, and microphone. That's how you get started with your 4G dash cam.